In Mechanical Engineering Department, degree semester 6, under the subject of Industrial Safety and Maintenance Engineering, today we are going to see the tutorial number 2, which is a study of industrial safety and role of organization. In tutorial 1, we have studied what the meaning of industrial safety and its importance. Now today we will see how organization can play a role in maintaining the industrial safety. So the organizations are responsible for creating and maintaining the safe workplace for their employees. Management must establish clear safety rules, regulations, and policies. Organizations should regularly identify workplace hazards and take preventive actions. Whenever there is a hazard, it will lead to the accident. So a preventive action must be taken by the organization. Safety culture should be promoted at every level of the organization. Development of safety policies. How an organization can play a role in that, we will see how the development of safety policy can help. So the organization must prepare a written safety policy for all the employees. Policies should include emergency procedure, machine operation rules, and hazard control measures. Safety standards must follow at national and international guidelines. For example, factory display safety instructions and warning signs near dangerous equipment. Then, employee training and awareness. Organizations should provide regular safety training programs for their workers. Employees must be trained in machine handling, fire safety, and emergency response. Safety awareness programs help workers understand workplace risks. Example, construction companies conduct workshops on the use of helmets and safety belts. So they can use these PPEs to safeguard themselves. Then provision of safety equipment. Organization must provide personal protective equipment to the workers. Common PPE includes helmets, gloves, safety shoes, goggles, earplugs, and masks. Proper use of PPE reduces injuries and occupational disease. For example, chemical industries provide gas masks and protective suit to the employees. So these are under the provision of safety equipment. Then regular inspection and maintenance. Industries should conduct regular inspections of machinery and equipment so that it cannot create a dangerous workplace to work on. Then maintenance, a regular maintenance should be carried out for all the equipment so it can prevent the machine failure and workplace accidents. Faulty electrical system and damaged tools should be repaired immediately, and if not possible, they can be eliminated. For example, in manufacturing plants, a monthly schedule of maintenance should be there for all the machines. Then emergency preparedness and response. Organizations should prepare emergency plan for fires, explosion, and chemical leaks. Fire extinguishers, alarms, first aid kits, and emergency exits must be available. Regular mock drills help employees respond effectively during emergencies. Means all the employees or regular workers should know how to respond when there is an emergency. For example, oil refineries conduct emergency evacuation drills every few months. This is the under emergency preparedness and response. Health and welfare measures. Organizations should ensure proper ventilation, lighting, and cleanliness in the workplace. Regular medical checkups should also be arranged for their employees. Healthy working condition reduces the stresses and improve the productivity. For example, in mining companies provide health monitoring for all workers exposed to dust. If we are not following this safety, then a Bhopal gas tragedy was the one of the case study or an example where what a mistakes can lead to the tragedy. So Bhopal gas tragedy of 1984 is one of the world's worst industrial disasters. Toxic gas leak in chemical plant caused thousands of deaths and health problems. This tragedy highlighted that the importance of strict industrial measures and organizational responsibility. So, industrial safety is essential for protecting human life, property, and environment. And the role of organization is key in maintaining this safety measure and creating awareness among the workers. A strong safety culture in the organization will lead to the sustainable growth, productivity, and long-term industrial success.